Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever managed more than one website in Wix, you already know how repetitive it can get rebuilding the same pages from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and efficient way to copy a page from one Wix site to another, helping you save time and keep your workflow much more consistent. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently duplicate page layouts without unnecessary effort, how to keep your branding consistent across multiple websites and projects, and how to streamline your workflow so you can build and manage sites much faster. This will help you save time, reduce repetitive work, and make your entire website creation process far more organized and productive. So let's dive in and make your workflow smoother and more efficient from here on out. First, head into your Wix editor for the site that already contains the page you want to reuse. Log into your account and open the specific website where that page has already been designed. This takes you directly into your working environment, where all your content is stored and organized. Once inside the editor, locate the Pages and Menu section on the left-hand side. This area is essentially the structure of your website. It's where every page is listed and managed. Clicking into it will display all the pages currently on your site, making it easy to identify the one you want to transfer. Now scroll through and find the exact page you want to copy. It could be something like an About page you're satisfied with, or a Services page that's already well-designed and worth reusing. When you hover over the page name, you'll notice a small three-dot menu appear next to it. Click on those dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, select the Copy option. This action captures the entire page, its layout, text, images, and design settings, so it can be reused elsewhere without rebuilding anything manually. Next, switch over to the second Wix site where you want this page to appear. Once you're inside that site's editor, go back to the Pages and Menu section, just like before. This is where you'll insert the copied content into the new site structure. Inside the Page Menu area, right-click and choose Paste, or simply use Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. The copied page will then be added into your new site automatically. If it doesn't show instantly, give it a moment. Wix may take a few seconds to process it. And just like that, you've successfully transferred a full page from one Wix website to another. This method is especially useful if you manage multiple brands or want to keep a consistent design style across different sites. And if anything doesn't look perfect right away, you can always go in and fine-tune the layout afterward. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical and simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.